As we head into the weekend, got a couple great, exciting things for you. One is Scott Bessent, who's the Treasury Secretary, replaced Janet Yellen, announced this week that with the Trump administration, we're not getting political at all here, but they have announced they're going to attack the 10-year Treasury. They want to get the long end of the yield curve, the rates down. This is a big deal. So they are going to attack the 10-year, which is what mortgage rates follow, and get that 10-year down, which right now it's at like 4.5% roughly. If we could get that down to 4%, that's going to get you rates kind of in that low sixes again. Right now, they're kind of in the high sixes, depending on cost, even low sevens. So this is going to be good to increase affordability for our buyers, help our potential sellers be willing to list their home, unleash the gridlock, because now they don't have to take, as an extreme example, with their 3% rate they have now, maybe they're willing to go up to 5.5%, 6% if we can get rates to come down. So that is a goal of the current administration. Secondly, we taught a really good class on alternative lending strategies. Take a look at these, the PDF. Down below the video, you have a link. You can access all of this content and use. And we taught a class to some local real estate partners of ours that we work with, and they loved it. This is really, really good stuff on how you can not say no to a buyer. More than likely, there's an option for them as long as they don't have insanely low credit scores. If they've been self-employed less than 2 years, we can help them with financing. If they don't have a social security number and they're a foreign national, we can help them. If they don't have any money for down payment assistance, that's a product we do a ton of. We can help cover the gap so they don't have to bring in any cash to close. We do bridge loan financing. We talked about that a couple of weeks ago. Don't need to sell their current place to buy another, and no need to move twice. We have home renovation loans through Lowe's and Home Depot that your clients, when they buy their home, can do basically a punch list item to get financing as part of their original loan to do anything to the property that they want. And that's a really, really good product. We have so much non-QM alternative lending strategies out there with asset-based lending, bank statement loans, that take a look at this content, because the whole point is you want to be able to arm yourself with not knowing everything about lending, but we team up with us. That's what we're here for. But at least know that if your buyer says they can't qualify for a myriad of reasons, don't let them make that assumption. Have them talk to us, because there's so much we can do, or at least get them on that roadmap to buying. That is something that I want you to be able to extract and get more transactions, because we are in a conversion market. We're not in a transaction market. There's just not enough deals happening right now. So any buyer that you have, we can't lose them. And we have to educate them and make sure they're aware of all of these different loan strategies that are out there. And so if you'd like me to do a Zoom presentation on this, I'm happy to do that. Come in your office and do a lunch and learn with you individually, your team. Use me as a resource, because I've been presenting this to a couple offices recently and we've had really good feedback on it. And so take a look, let me know your thoughts, and we can get something in the books. Make it a great weekend. As always, look below the video here, all of the content in your email. Look through it. It's really valuable. We've gotten really good feedback from the agents who take the time to look through the content, because this is designed, again, to help your business, forward this to your clients, forward this to your team, and just really try to, again, make 2025 a great year. That's what we wish for you. So we'll be in touch. Okay. Have a great week. Bye.